So this is the last section where we have to do our rough cut and seam, and these are off at a slight angle. So what we did is we're able to follow the same stitch row up until about 3/4 of the way, where it's going to now jump a bead row that we have to cut. So here it's getting a little bit wider than I would like to see. So that's why we stopped right here. And we're gonna work on this area where it has to jump. So you can see that we've now confined that space or the area where it has to make a jump into a very small section that might be noticeable, but it's very small in comparison to the whole rest of the area that's not. So here is right past where it already jumped. And now it's invisible. So in order to make that transition where it's going to jump, so what we want to do from one to the next is that what we want to do is we're going to make a cut right in between, not compromising the actual stitch, but we're going to go right in between the two to make our cut and then continue up to that row there. So we'll do that and then we'll see how it looks.